Omar Hassan Ahmad al-Bashir is a Sudanese former military officer and politician who served as the 7th President of Sudan under various titles from 1989 to 2019. When he was deposed in a coup d'état, he was subsequently incarcerated, tried and convicted on multiple corruption charges. He came to power in 1989 when, as a brigadier general in the Sudanese army, he led a group of officers in a military coup that ousted the democratically elected government of Prime Minister Sadiq al-Mahdi after it began negotiations with rebels in the south. He was elected 3 times as president in elections that have been under scrutiny for electoral fraud. In 1992, al-Bashir founded the National Congress Party, which remained the dominant political party in the country until 2019. In March 2009, al-Bashir became the first sitting head of state to be indicted by the International Criminal Court for allegedly directing a campaign of mass killing, rape, and pillage against civilians in Darfur. On the 11th of February 2020, the Sudanese government announced that it had agreed to hand over al-Bashir to the ICC for trial. In October 2005, al-Bashir's government negotiated an end to the Second Sudanese Civil War, leading to a referendum in the south, resulting in the separation of the south as the country of South Sudan. In the Darfur region, he oversaw the war in Darfur that resulted in death tolls that are about 10,000 according to the Sudanese government, but most sources suggest between 200,000 and 400,000. During his presidency, there have been several violent struggles between the Janjaweed militia and rebel groups such as the Sudanese Liberation Army and the Justice and Equality Movement in the form of guerrilla warfare. In the Darfur region, the civil war displaced over 2.5 million people out of a total population of 6.2 million in Darfur, and created a crisis in the diplomatic relations between Sudan and Chad. The rebels in Darfur lost the support from Libya after the death of Muammar Gaddafi and the collapse of his regime in 2011. In July 2008, the prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, Luis Moreno Ocampo, accused al-Bashir of genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes in Darfur. The court issued an arrest warrant for al-Bashir on 4 March 2009 on counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity, but ruled that there was insufficient evidence to prosecute him for genocide. However, on 12 July 2010, the court issued a second warrant containing 3 separate counts of genocide. The new warrant, like the first, was delivered to the Sudanese government, which did not recognize either the warrant or the ICC. The indictments do not allege that Bashir personally took part in such activities. Instead, they say that he is suspected of being criminally responsible as an indirect co-perpetrator. The court's decision was opposed by the African Union, Arab League and non-aligned movement as well as the governments of Russia and China. From December 2018 onwards, Bashir faced large-scale protests which demanded his removal from power. On the 11th of April 2019, Bashir was ousted in a military coup d'état. Bashir was replaced by the Transitionary Military Council, which transferred executive power to a mixed civilian military sovereignty council and a civilian prime minister, Abdullah Hamdok, in September 2019. In early November 2019, the Forces of Freedom and Change Alliance, which holds indirect political power during the 39-month Sudanese transition to democracy that started in September, Hamdok and Sovereignty Council member Siddiq Dawer stated that Bashir would be eventually transferred to the ICC. He was convicted of corruption in December 2019 and sentenced to 2 years in a prison for the elderly. His trial regarding his role in the coup that brought him into power started on 21 July 2020. Al-Bashir was born in Hosh Bananagar, just north of the capital, Khartoum, to a family of African Arab descent. His mother was Hedaya Muhammad Al-Zain, who died in 2019. He belongs to Banu Badaria, a Bedouin tribe belonging to the larger Jalan coalition, an Arabized Nubian tribe in middle north of Sudan. He received his primary education there, and his family later moved to Khartoum where he completed his secondary education. Al-Bashir is married to his cousin Fatima Khalid. He also has a second wife named Widad Babikar Omar, who had a number of children with her first husband Ibrahim Shamsardeen, a member of the Revolutionary Command Council for National Salvation who had died in a helicopter crash. Al-Bashir does not have any children of his own. Al-Bashir joined the Sudanese army in 1960. Al-Bashir studied at the Egyptian Military Academy in Cairo and also graduated from the Sudan Military Academy in Khartoum in 1966. He quickly rose through the ranks and became a paratroop officer. Later, al-Bashir served in the Egyptian army during the Yom Kippur War in 1973 against Israel. In 1975, al-Bashir was sent to the United Arab Emirates as